Martin from Secrets, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to a Friday market wrap-up, where we look at what happened today on a Friday and what can we learn from that. Let's get into the details. So we're going to see the Nifty charts. Look at the move. That's a wide range bearish candle with a gap down, and together it's 600 points it's lost. Banknifty, a bearish candle with a gap down, and that's 1300 gone in 2 days. That's the correction that has come, more than 3% of correction in both the indices. Let's look at a little more details. Right, intraday was not very exciting. It was trending down clearly after a gap down on the Nifty, and the Banknifty, it was not too enthusiastic to go down till the 2 o'clock time frame when it broke down. So till that time it was gap down and it was range bound. Then it broke down, and also after it has touched the 40,500 level, it tried to recover and did gain 400 points above. So banks in the price action also is showing strength. It's a small body indecision as it is in the banks. And what's next thing to see is it's a changeable variety bounce is possible on the Banknifty, because it's a previous resistance where it is acting as support now, and there is a possibility that it can bounce up further. That's a positive side of it. And then there is an M pattern or a double top, which could, if this 17,150 is 130 is breached, probably not even that. If this 380 is breached, that's a neckline of that M pattern. Now if you look at first double top and then against double top, then it's a M shape pattern. So there is a chance that it can, after 31780, that it can move as much as the height of this downside. So that is the negative part of it. Positive thing is it can just take a support from resistance, and then now it can bounce up. That's a brief. Right, moving on, support resistance levels 17861, 41840 and Nifty and the Banknifty. First level of support and resistance is on the upside, and second support 18115 on the Nifty, 42,000 on the Banknifty. The resistances 7491 is a support zone in Nifty, then 17380 after that, 40,266 is the support. This is a gap support within Banknifty, and then 39,708 on the, which is the previous single on the Banknifty. So look at this. So the previous swing high 18150 is resistance first, and after that, before that, there is a resistance that is created by all the gap down 17861, first, second downside, first and then second gap. Banknifty time high, and then rounding number 42,000, downside, previous swing low, and then gap support, just supports. Right, Bollinger Bands, it's indicating that there is a consolidation, contraction that is happening. Nifty and the Banknifty, which indicates sideways movement. Momentum, you can see that clearly it has slipped. Nifty has slipped, Banknifty is strong, still intact above the RSI 60. Momentum is falling, but it's strong. Trend has crossed over to the bearish zones on Nifty with a flat strength. In Banknifty, it is still maintaining the position. So trend and momentum is intact in the Banknifty. Price action also indicates strength, very much strength in the Banknifty as compared to the Nifty. And ETX is spiked up and very close to 20 levels, danger zone. We have to be extremely cautious. Short bit before type in Nifty. Banknifty also, its bearish build-up that has happened in the futures high, and that's short, that's long and binding. Look at the levels, crazy levels. Option traders don't know where to place the bets on put and call side on September 22nd weekly expiry. Look at this 17,000 and 2,000 points reach. But Banknifty, they are very sure 38,500 and 41,500 is the highest put and call rating we see. So this is crazy, it doesn't make sense. And all the bullishness is gone in the put call ratio, 0.49 in Nifty and 0.69 in Nifty. Sectors, all the vectors, across sectors, it had fell, right? There is this is the one. The mistake when I copied over the same. So this is what the actual information is. So all the sectors underperformed, 1 to 4%, 1, 2, 3, 4% like that. The falls that happened. IT and reality fell more than 3%. IT and reality. Stay out of this. Out of FMCG, reality maintained short-term bullishness. So that's big fall. Now all sectors, all the heavyweights also fell. Right, Infinities is going to be a response. ICICI Bank, the only stock that remains bullish in the short term and the medium term. Right? Institutional selling, that is the saddest part. This is the red zone. Second day, big selling is happening from the FI side, 3,260. Yesterday was near 2,000 crores. Therefore, so 3 days of continuous consecutive selling from the FIs, which has not happened in the recent times. So something to worry. Even DAs also did not support. So that's why market fall. Crude oil is rising, but it is below the 86 level. Should be okay. But dollar is writing in making 20-year highs, 110 plus. INR also is on the brim, 79.6, very close to 60, not falling at all, flat and bullish momentum, right? So that's those red marked, these two things: FI selling, dollar is rising, and the US markets. But this is red till sharp. Look at the US markets, Dow Jones futures. Right? It's a crucial zone where it is broken. There's a trend line channel and seems like it is breaking down. Right? It was on the see this is broken down. Market is open, Dow Jones is broken down. So if this continues on Monday, we'll have bad reaction to that. If it further falls down. So US market is breaking the support zone, which is a worry. Gold is falling in the support. SGX is flat. So all this SGX and the US index will have to see the market if there is big moves and market react accordingly. Right. So there's no market view. Also, bearishness evident. Market view will come in from the weekly analysis. That's video for that will come on Sunday. So please subscribe and don't miss out on that. We will have a detailed study of a half an hour video would be there where we can analyze what exactly is happening and where we are heading in all of that. Right. So just before leaving, we just have a look at the weekly. Right. So this weekly candle is closed inside it. Here also we have an inverted hammer on Banknifty. Banknifty is still bullish and broken out, but this is closed inside, which is not good. So it is contracting divergence in the price action that has happened in Nifty and the Banknifty. Right? So we'll look at all those in the weekly analysis and then come out of the market view. So until then, bye for now. Please subscribe if you don't subscribe. And don't forget we have very few subscriptions and this helps us keep ourselves motivated to keep doing this every day. Thanks for watching. Happy trading, happy learning. Bye bye.